Hello everyone and welcome back to today's podcast. I am so happy that you are here. In this video, I will tell you something more powerful, something that you can carry with yourself every single day, something that can change the way you see yourself, your problems, your goals, and your future. Today we are talking about your brain. More specifically, we are going to talk about how to train your brain to win. Now, when I say win, I don't mean that you have to defeat everyone around you. Winning is not always about being better than someone else. Sometimes winning means becoming better than the person you were yesterday. Winning means getting back up after you fall. Winning means continuing even when things become difficult. Winning means believing in yourself when nobody else believes in you. Winning means becoming the person you always wanted to be. And the journey begins inside your mind. Your thought influences your actions. Your action becomes your habits, and your habits can shape your future. So if you want to change your life, one of the best places to start your mind. Let's talk about how to train your brain to think stronger, act smarter, and keep moving forward. Step 1. Your mind is powerful. Your brain is always talking to you. Every day you have thousands of thoughts. Some thoughts are positive, some are negative, some are helpful, some are not. You may wake up and think, I can do this. Or you may wake up and think, this is going to be a bad day. You may face challenges and think, I will find a solution. Or you may think, I can't do this. The situation may be the same, but your thoughts can change the way you respond to that situation. This is why learning to manage your thoughts is so important. You cannot control everything that is happening in your life, but you can learn to control how to respond yourself. You can train yourself to pause, think, and choose your next action. This is powerful skill. Step 2. Stop saying I can't. The first things you need to change is the way you talk to yourself. Many people say I can't do this. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I will never succeed. I will always fail. These words can become a mental habit, and when you repeat them again and again, you may start believing yourself. So try changing your mind language. Instead of saying, I can't do this, say, I don't know how to do this yet. And instead of saying, I'm not good at English, say, I'm learning English every day. And instead of saying, I always fail, say, I have failed before, but I can learn and try again. The word yet is powerful. It reminds you that your current situation is not your final destination. You may not be successful yet. You may not be confident yet. You may not have reached your goal yet. But that does not mean you will never. You are still learning. You are still growing. Step 4. Train your brain to see problems as challenges. Life will always have problems. There will always be difficult days. There will always be unexpected situations. There will always be moments when your plans don't work. You cannot avoid every problem, but you can change how you look at the problems. Instead of saying, why this is happening to me, try, what can I learn from this? What is my next step? What did this experience teach me? This small change in thinking can make a big difference. A problem can become a lesson. A mistake can become experience. A difficult situation can make you stronger. Remember, you don't grow only when life is easy. Sometimes you grow the most when life challenges you. Step 5. Focus on what you can control. One of the biggest reasons people feel stressed is because they spend too much time thinking about things they can't control. You cannot control what other people think about you. You cannot control everything that happens in the world. You can control your efforts. You can control your attitude. You can control your choices. You can control how you spend your time. So when something is going wrong, ask yourself, what is in my control right now? Then focus on that. Maybe you can't change the problem, but you can change your response. That is enough to move forward. Step 6. Teach your brain to focus. We live in the world full of distraction, social media, videos, news, entertainments. There are thousands of things competing for our attention. If you want to win in your life, you need to learn how to focus. You don't need to focus for 10 hours. Start with 20. Choose one important task. Focus only on that one task. Then take a short break. Repeat. Your ability to focus is just like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it becomes. When you learn to focus, you can learn faster, work better, and make progress toward your goals. Step 7. Train your brain through repetition. Your brain learns through repetition. If you repeatedly practice something, you become better at it. This is true for almost everything. Want to speak English better? Practice speaking. Want to become a better writer? Write regularly. Want to become better at designs? Practice designing. Want to become more confident? Practice doing things that make you uncomfortable. Don't accept to become amazing after one attempt. One workout would not completely transfer your body. One book would not make you an expert. One day of studying would not make you a master. But one day plus another day plus another day can create incredible progress. Consistency is powerful. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. Keep learning. Step 8. Don't let your fear make your decisions. Fear is a normal part of life. You may be afraid of failure. You may be afraid of criticisms. You may be afraid of making mistakes. You may be afraid that people will laugh at you. But if you allow fear to control every decision, you may never discover what you are capable for. Courage does not mean you have no fear. Courage means you take action even when you feel afraid. You can be nervous and still speak. You can be scared and still try. You can doubt on yourself and still move forward. Don't wait until you feel completely fearless. Take this step while you are still nervous. Your brain will slowly learn, I can handle difficult things, and that belief can make you stronger. Step 9. Get comfortable with discomfort. If you choose always the easiest option, you may stay in the same place. Growth often feels uncomfortable. Learning something new can feel difficult. Speaking in front of the people can make you scary. Starting a business can feel uncertain. Trying something new can feel uncomfortable. But discomfort is not always a sign that something is wrong. Sometimes discomfort is a sign that you are growing. So challenge yourself. Read something difficult. Learn a new skill. Speak even if your English is not perfect. Try something you have never tried before. Every time you do something difficult, you teach your brain, I can do hard things. And that is a powerful belief. Step 10. Learn from your failure. If you want to train your brain to win, you must change the way you think about failure. Failure is not the opposite of success. Failure can be part of a success. Every successful person has made mistakes. Every successful person has experienced rejection. Every successful person have had difficult days. The difference is that they did not let failure become the end of their story. When you fail, don't ask, why am I so bad? Ask, what can I learn? What can I do differently next time? What is my next move? This mindset turns failure into feedback, and feedback helps you improve. Step 11. Visualize your future. Another powerful way to train your brain is visualization. Take a few minutes and imagine the person you want to become. Imagine yourself achieving your goal. Imagine yourself speaking confidently. Imagine yourself finishing your project. Imagine yourself looking back and feeling proud. But don't only imagine the final result. Imagine the process too. Imagine yourself waking up and doing the work. Imagine yourself practicing. Imagine yourself staying consistent. Imagine yourself continuing when even you don't feel motivated. Your brain needs a clear direction. When you know where you want to go, it becomes easier to decide what you should do today. Step 12. Build a winning routine. You don't need to have a perfect life to have a winning routine. Start with simple habits. Wake up at a responsible time. Drink water. Exercise. Spend time learning. Work on your most important goal. Take breaks. Spend time with people who give you peace. Get enough rest. Before sleeping, think about your day. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What did I learn? What can I improve tomorrow? This simple reflection can help you grow. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to become a little better every day. Step 13. Choose your environment carefully. The people around you can influence your thinking. If you spend all your time with the people who constantly complain, you may start thinking negatively. If you spend time with the people who encourage learning and growth, you may become more motivated. This does not mean you should reject everyone who is struggling. It means you should be aware of what influences your mind. Choose people who respect you. Choose people who encourage you. Choose people who tell you the truth when you need to hear it. Choose people who want to see you grow. And remember to become that kind of person for others too. Step 14. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is helpful, but motivation does not last forever. Some days you will feel excited. Other days you will feel exhausted. Some days you will want to work. Other days you will want to stay at bed. This is why discipline matters. Discipline means doing what you need to do even when you don't feel like doing it. You don't need to work for 10 hours. You just need to keep. If you plan to study for 20 minutes, study for 20 minutes. If you plan to practice, then practice. If you plan to exercise, small promises kept every day build self-trust. And that self-trust builds confidence. Step 15. Your brain needs rest. Training your brain to win does not mean working all the time. Your brain also needs rest. You need to sleep. You need moments of peace. Rest helps you return with more energy and focus. A tired brain cannot perform at its best. Work hard, but also rest wisely. Step 16. Become your own biggest supporter. There will be times when people don't understand your goals. There will be times when nobody notices your hard work. During those moments, you need to learn how to support yourself. Tell yourself, I can do this. I am learning. I am improving. I will not give up because my life is hard. You don't need to believe that everything will always be easy. You just need to believe that you can handle the next step. That's enough. Step 17. Your mindset creates your direction. Your thoughts do not magically create success. You still need action. You still need planning. You still need skills. You still need patience. Your mindset influences the direction to take. If you believe you can learn, you are more likely to practice. If you believe you can improve, you are more likely to continue. If you believe mistakes are lessons, you are less likely to give up. So train your mind to think in a way that supports your goals. Don't lie to yourself. Don't pretend that problems don't exist. Instead, face reality with courage. Say, this is difficult, but I can take one step. That is a winning mindset. Final message. Before we finish today's podcast, I want you to remember one important thing. You don't have to win every day. Some days will be difficult. Some days you will make mistakes. Some days you will lose motivation. That's okay. Winning is not about being perfect. Winning is about continuing. It's about getting back up. It's about learning. It's about becoming stronger. It's about refusing to let one bad day decide your entire future. Train your brain to focus on situations. Train your brain to learn from your mistakes. Train your brain to believe in progress. Train your brain to take actions. Train your brain to keep going. Because the strongest person is not the person who never struggles. The strongest person is the person who struggles, learns, adapts, and continues. So starting today, change the way you talk to yourself. Change the way you see challenges. Change the way you respond to failure. Focus on what you can control. Take one small step towards your goal. Then take another. Your brain is powerful. Your thoughts matter. Your habits matter. Your action matters. And every day you have a chance to become a stronger version of yourself. So don't wait for tomorrow. Start training your mind today. Believe that you can learn. Believe that you can grow. Believe that you can improve. And most importantly, believe that your story is still being written. You may not have reached your goal yet. You may not have everything you want yet. But you are still moving. You are still learning. You are still growing. And as long as you keep moving forward, you are already winning. Thank you for listening to today's podcast. Remember, train your brain, control your thoughts, take actions, learn from failure, and keep going. And one day you will look back and realize that the person you became was worth every difficult step. I am Zofia, your English teacher, and until next time, take care of yourself, believe in yourself, keep training your mind to win. Have a good day.